Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how to make this quick, easy and delicious plantain egg balls. So to get started, I have some half-ripe plantains, or we would call them turning plantains in Guyana. I have my eggs here and I'll be using some salt, all-purpose seasoning, and some black pepper. The first thing you want to do is boil the plantains and the eggs. Now you can use green plantains if you prefer. I'm not a fan of green plantains, so I'm using the plantain that's now starting to ripen. You do not want to use ripe plantains. It is too soft and mushy and it will not work well. So once these are boiled, I'll show you all the next step. Next, we're going to go ahead and mash the plantains while they're hot. And then we'll add the seasoning to add a little bit of flavor to them. Now, you don't have to season this the way you would season cassava, because plantains have its own flavor and it has a tad bit of sweetness to it. And you don't need to do too much. Once you start doing too much to plantains, it does not go right. So we will just mix this in real well and set aside, allow it to cool down before we proceed to the next step. Now I did prepare some mango sour here. I will leave the recipe down in the description box, but I was preparing some mango sour to go with my plantain egg balls. I figure that the sweetness from the plantains, the sourness from the mangoes, and the eggs will be perfect. So now you want to grab a generous amount of that plantain and just add your egg right in the middle and make sure the egg is covered with the plantains. And that's it, guys. It's super simple and easy, just like you would make the cassava egg ball and the potato egg ball. It's the same thing. So once we're done, I will show you all what to do next. Now you want to coat them with some flour. Just put a light thin coating of that flour and dust off the excess. And you just carry on with the same process until they're all covered in the flour, and then we'll get ready to fry them. To my preheated oil, I will now add the plantain egg balls in here, and I'll add 4 at a time just to not overcrowd my skillet. You want to allow these to fry until they're nice and golden brown on all sides. You want to just flip them, continue just flipping them, you know, making sure that all sides get that nice brown crispiness. And that's it, guys. We just remove and just carry on with the same process until we're all done. Super simple and easy. And these are amazingly delicious. Trust me, guys, you gotta try it. And here you have it, plantain egg balls. When I tell you this was delicious, you know me, I will try anything as long as it's food related. I'm very much adventurous when it comes to food, and I love a challenge. When I tell you this was so good, I can't wait for you all to try it. But please remember, do not use ripe plantains. You have to use the ones that's now turning ripe, or you can use green plantains and you'll be just fine. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, mwah, enjoy.